Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we discuss public policy. Public policy meaning, definition, nature and its scope. So first we discuss meaning of public policy. A system of laws, course of action, regulatory measure and funding priorities concerning a given topic declared by governmental entity. The father of public policy is Michael Holland and Woodrow Wilson. So the next topic we discuss definition of public policy is the first author represent his definition in these words. The term public policy always refer to the action of government and the intention that determines these action. The next author define the public policy is the outcome of the struggle in government over who get what. Thomas Dye represent the public policy is whatever government choose to do or not to do. Next author represent his definition of public policy is public policy consists of political decision for implementing programs to achieve societal goals. Next we discuss nature of public policy. The following points will make the nature of public policy. The first point of nature of public policy is public policy are goal oriented. This means that public policies are formulated and implemented in order to attain the objective which the government has in view for the betterment of the public. The next point is public policy is the outcome of the government's collective action. It means that it is a pattern or course of activity or the governmental official and actors in a collective sense then being termed as their discrete and segregated decision. Third point is public policy is what the government actually decide or choose to do. It is the relationship of the government unit to the specific field of political environment in a given administrative system. It is it can take a variety of form like law, ordinance, court decision, executive order, decision, etc. The fourth point is public policy may be positive or negative. The fifth point is it is positive in the sense that it depicts the concern of the government and involve its action to a particular problem on which the policy is made. The sixth point is negatively it involve a decision by the governmental official regarding not taking any on a particular issue. Now we discuss scope of public policy. The authoritative location of values for a society. The next point is the process of deciding who get what, when, where and how. The next point of the scope is what the government chooses to do or not to do about a specific problem. And the fourth point is establish the boundaries of our freedom and color the counters of our interaction with other people in our political, social and economic system. And the fifth point is it is dependent on the role assumed by the state. And the last point of scope of public policy is that even in this globalized capitalist minimal states government has some mm, malignable duties etc husbandry and modify role etc. And last, if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also like, comment and share. Thank you.